Good morning. I am from Lokmanya Tilak School, students of class 1. Let's start chapter number 12 Water. Children, if you imagine water, what will you do? आप क्या करते हैं जब आप वाटर को इमेजिन करते हैं? You are drinking water, you are bathing with it, नहाते हैं, ड्रिंक करते हैं, you are planting, you are watering the plants को water करते हैं, है ना? Your mother used water in cooking. Your mother used water for cleaning floor. Your father used water for washing car, bike, है ना? Water is very important in our life, ना? Okay, in this chapter, water needed by all living things. Not only human beings, even plants and animals also need water. Okay, so water needed by all living things. There are different sources of water, different uses of water, and storage of water. Okay, water. All living things need water to live. We can't survive without water, so all living things need water to live. Water is very necessary for us. Some of uses of water are shown here. Water used for, we need water for cooking. That is clear. Without water, we can't cook anything. Mostly things cooked with the water. We use water for drinking. We should daily drink 10 to 12 glasses of water. Water is very important for digestion of food. Okay, animals need water. Animals also need water to live. In summer, uh, they cool their body with the help of water, है ना? They also drink water. Now we need water for washing clothes. That is very clear. For washing our clothes, we need water. Plants need water to grow. Without water, plant may be dry, damaged. So water is very necessary for plants also. Okay. They prepare food. वो अपने लिए खाना बनाते हैं with the help of water, air and sunlight. We need water for bathing. Children daily jumps. uh, we are contacted with some. हम लोग germs के contact में रहते हैं. So we should bath daily. For bathing we use water. We need water for putting fire. If there is any fire, we need water to put off. We need water for mixing paints. If you see painter, he use water for painting. We need water for cleaning clothes, for cleaning floors. फ्लोर क्लीन करने के लिए भी हमें वाटर चाहिए और यूटेंसिल्स वॉश करने के लिए वाटर चाहिए. वी नीड वाटर टू वॉश यूटेंसिल्स. वी नीड वाटर टू वॉश आर व्हीकल्स. हम लोग के व्हीकल्स को वॉश करने के लिए वी नीड वाटर. वी नीड वाटर फॉर many other activities also. Okay, where does water come from? Now this is the point. From where we get water? We get water from rain. Children, you see, in rainy season we get water from rain. Rainwater fills up the river. Rainwater क्या होता है? वो river को fill करता है, ponds and lakes. Rainwater fills up river, ponds and lakes. Some rainwater goes into the ground below. Some rainwater goes underground. When we dig a deep hole in the ground, we get this. When we dig, children, well, ये देखिए well है ना? When we dig a deep hole in the ground, we get this water. We get the water. The deep hole dug in the ground is called well. उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? जो deep hole करते हैं उसको हम लोग well कहते हैं. We should always keep water clean. We should हमें हमेशा पानी को साफ रखना चाहिए. Do not throw waste into the river. Never, do not know, never waste throw in the river, in the lakes, in the ponds and wells. Always use bags for wasting. If you went any picnic spot, always use your paper bags for wrapping your waste. Okay. In train also use a paper bag for storage of wastage and then throw it in the dustbin. We must drink clean water. That is clear. We must drink clean water. Dirty water makes us ill. Drinking dirty water can makes us ill. हम लोग को बुखार हो सकता है, हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. Use of water filter or boil the water before drinking. Before drinking, we should boil the water and we should use water filter for drinking clean water. Okay, children, that is clear. Water is very necessary in our life. Water is very precious also. We should not waste water. Hana? Do not waste water. Save water, save life. Okay, children, we will continue this chapter next time. Read this chapter and draw two sources of water in your science copy. Okay, okay, children. Good day.